guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I have my lovely auntie. Look at her. So I'm going to be transforming her today. So I'm going to be doing her hair and makeup. The hair is from Cynosure hair. Okay? Beautiful hair. You're going to like it. Beautiful hair. Beautiful texture. Very full, nice and full, straight hair. And it's a frontal wig as well. Okay? I'm going to put all the links to Cynosure hair in the description box. So very soon, my auntie is gonna be poppy. Yes, I'm gonna use this wig cap on the head first. Make the frontal look very natural. Yes, please.
Okay. You're good with gele too.
Wow. Oh, I try. I'm gonna blow dry the hair. This is got to be spray. I'm gonna cut the excess. Just blending the edges to make everything seamless. I like the fact that you haven't done your brow.
That microblading thing. Sometimes I just go out like this. Because of you, I started learning how to do makeup.
Nice.
And some people actually think I know.
I think you know how to do it.
I'm learning. And I didn't say, even today I was telling my colleague that is YouTube.
We're gonna apply foundation. This one will blend the head and everything. Oh wow, see? Wow, guys, straight from the pack, looking nice, beautiful. And it's fun. I've used their hair before. Their hair is always beautiful, very nice and sleek. So let's pluck it more. Wow, this is nice, guys. Wow. This is really popping. So yeah, cutting the lace. Beautiful. Now we're going to outline where we're going to apply the glue. Okay, so now we're going to apply glue. Let's use this one.
Never seen that one.
Yeah, it's what's it called?
The olive oil.
Olive oil, ultra hold for lace front. So what I do sometimes I mix it with a spray. You do this, so it's just picking it up. Back one, even this I see.
So you can't take this off?
Yeah, later, about 3 days.
Don't even maintain it. Don't even expert
I
it.
can, yeah.
And maintaining distance. Yeah, so let's tie. This one is going to hold it down.
Do you want me to hold anything?
Okay, yes, please. Yes, okay. Yeah. Makeup time. Yeah. Oh, look at your face. Oh, God. Oh, this face. I'm even scared now to do makeup. I'm scared. I don't want anybody to say, you ruined her face. She was beautiful before makeup. Look how you spoil it. Okay, what I'll do, I'll
Mix.
yeah. Auntie know how I do my thing. It's like auntie is a stalker.
As well.
She's a stalker. Okay. So the foundation I'm using is NW58 and NW55. So I mix them both together, and I'm gonna apply that all over the face with a beauty blender. See? Face on fleek. Yeah, concealer. Oh yeah, Bandika, I love the eyeshadows. Wow. See? concealer done. So now we are baking using banana powder. We're going to set under the eyes. So this will stay here while I do the eyeshadow. Contouring time. NW55. But I think this shape suits you more than the shape you did when you came in.
Okay. Okay.
This one is very thin.
It's from Mark?
Yes, or not.
It makes it look like his hair is standing.
Using the darker concealer at the beginning. Wow. Do you see that brows?
Please,
You
which
won't
one?
sit. You
What
won't
of those
sit.
magnetic ones? Because I like it
Okay, that
sometimes.
magnetic one, isn't it?
Don't have the patience, I think. That's my
The
problem.
single one will not stay. The ones that you put on, like single ones, like the one, like
Yeah.
that will stay, but it doesn't last long.
But have you tried it?
Yeah, my lashes, because they're really curly, it just pushes it off.
So you bought magnetic.
No, I've not bought my.
So that's why I'm mixing this brown, this kind of burnt brown as well. This
Oh, I
gold.
see. Okay.
So sometimes you mix colors together. It's all about blending. Blending is the key. Just smoking this end to add depth. Now, apply that. When you finish that, you do this. Press the natural one. Hey, okay.
Is it also?
You're popping.
Yeah.
A mineralized skin for you know the one I always use. So I use Give Me Some. I go here and I blend, so I'm blending through, so I won't have any patch.
Point. You nailed
I
it.
think you nailed it there, yeah.
Yeah.
Have to be here, cannot be here. You have to be right here.
But then that's where the highlighter sits as well.
It
So
sits
it was
on
a
top.
bit confusing for me.
Okay. You open again. So you see how I'm doing the inside now. Oh wow, this is nice highlighter. Glow with it. This is glow with it, so Auntie is glowing with it. Oh, Auntie, this is nice. Aww.
Yeah, the hair is good.
Oh my God, guys. Look at that. We're going to blend the edges.
It's really good. I love the makeup.
Aww.
Yeah, the makeup is really popping.
Really popping. Really popping.
Wow. Did you see that?
I saw it straight away.
Why are you so cute? Oh, it's nice. That's the only thing I know. Who
Sorry?
buy it? Who buy it?
That's what I was going to do.
That's
That's
what
why I was asking you what you wanted to do. Uber
Me, I
Eats.
don't want Uber Eats.
She don't want to be fancy. You have not heard that she don't want to be fancy.
What are they gonna give you as Uber Eats?
I
The
didn't
shop,
want to be fancy.
wherever you want them to go and bring the food
They will
from.
bring
Oh,
it.
really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Have you got Uber on your phone?
Yes.
Go to Uber Eats now. You tell us what restaurants are
Yeah.
around. That's what I wanted to do earlier.
Yeah.
Too cute.
That's nice. I think that's the end of this video.
Okay.
That's the end of this video.
POPPIN.
Yeah, you know. I love that. Aw. Do you like it though?
You're like 20 years younger.
I know, right?
Where's my phone? Use my-
Sweet
Yeah.
16. Wow. This hair is beautiful.
Do it.
Aw. This is really nice. Wow.
It's really nice.
Mm-hmm. See you. Yes, sir. That's it, guys. As always, I'm gonna put the link. That's it for today's video. As you can see, Auntie's looking glamorous. She was pretty before, so now she's glamorous. So yeah, she's now popping. Yes, this hair is so beautiful, as you can tell. Very beautiful, nice and full, very sleek as well. So the link is gonna be down below if you want to get this hair for yourself. Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye.